Jambo jambo, welcome back to my YouTube channel at Mrs. K 4860. My friend, you know, most of the times when we come together, we talk about creating businesses. Some things they look like they cannot create business, but they can. Imagine now the person who designed this house of somewhere where it's like a table, it's like a small house for the birds to eat. So then to go to the store to buy the food for the birds, and they have food because sometimes in winter there is nothing completely, and the only thing to save them is to go to the shop and support them with food. So it's all the time supporting each other. So like you can see, this thing is, I made it for the birds, and if you want it you can ask me, I make for you also. It's nice for the birds, you know. I had a wood and I asked my husband to cut them for me, and I had a banana tree here with me, so the banana leaf I made it like a roof, you know, for the birds, because I really like to see the birds here nearby me. This small house is a house or is a table, I can call it, because they don't sleep here, these birds. And it's only my own creation, because I was having this piece of wood, the one which I have used to make a small house, see, on my terrace. This small house, I had a small piece of wood, and that piece of wood, I asked my husband whether he can help me with cutting it. He cut it and I fixed it that way. And I like to see when I'm sitting here having my breakfast, then I see how the birds, they are happy. They are happy. And at the same time, I think I protect them to go to eat the seeds or the fruits of now, because it's the time the fruits and vegetables is starting, so they don't go to spoil them eating them, so I feed them on the side. And the fruits, hey, by the way, I have to give the plants water. So my friend, let's sit here, wait for the birds. Let's sit and wait for the birds to come, we see. There is something, in fact, you know, some birds, I think every bird have got a name. So now I want to sit and see which one, and then I'll go to the shops to see what more I can buy for those birds. Because today is Labor Day, and I'm just at home. Today I'm not doing anything. I'm not going anywhere. I mean, I'm only at home to do my housework. So I'm busy doing my housework at the same time watching the birds, because during the day I'm not at home. But I know here comes the birds, because by the time I come back, I leave in the morning very early, and I come back in the evening. So by the time I come back, the birds have already gone to sleep. So when I'm free, it's when I sit and watch, waiting. And I saw it's like, because last weekend, I waited for them. And now I see it's like they are having a young ones. They are more than, but because it's the beginning of them to come. Before I was having birds, but inside. You can check there on my wall. But those ones were the ones tamed, the ones they are bought at the shops. So after that, then because I was missing them, I'm used to having birds and pets, and So I thought, maybe I try whether the birds just from outside, they can be coming nearby. I feed them, and they come. And sometimes they come. There are doves, pigeons, but I prefer the smaller ones. I prefer the smaller ones, because you see this small table is not big enough, I think, for big birds. It's more for the smaller ones. They are all good, but I prefer more small birds. I like animals also, by the way. I like animals, you see? I like animals. See? I like very much animals. It's for the time being. We are waiting for the birds, Don't forget. I like plants also, you see? I like plants, so many. I don't know how many plants I have here inside. I have a lot of them. Orchids, some of them even I don't know the name. Aloe veras. The birds, they are still coming. Wait, we check. Check whether the birds. These birds, they are taking long before they come, Baby, if you really love me, take me to Safari, Kenya. I go to see the animals there and the birds. Hey, in Kenya there is a lot of birds, currents. Some of them even it's like they are having a short trouser. If you really love me, take me to Safari, Kenya. Bama, tucheze mariva. Ateki Afrika. Nipeleke Kenya. If you really love me. It's nice weather. It's nice weather. It's nice weather. I'm waiting for the birds here now. Imagine in winter no one can sit somewhere like here. That's why I like nice weather. Hey! I have to give food here. You see, this is the food I tell you for the birds here. Inside. Round. These ones. Food for the birds. Isaia I close the door. The wind is coming. Anyway, it's nice weather. Maybe later on we go outside. We have a walk. You and me. How do you think? How do you prefer? Anyway, me, I'm waiting for these birds. Come. I think I'll put a camera there. I'll buy one with a camera. Especially in the morning when they come to eat, singing. I put a seat there on the side so that they have somewhere. Sometimes, you know, birds, they like somewhere to stand. And so, for the time being, waiting for the birds, let's continue watching my carvings because I like them. Which one do you prefer? I make for you the same. You see? You see? My own creation. Here at my studio of Mrs. K 4860 looks this way. This is my studio. I decorate it with the carvings that I normally buy them to support the people who have the markets. You see all those hustlers they make. I like to support them. I like to support their business so that when they see tourists know that tourists is also business digital, and their business of carvings is also digital. Yeah. It's nice weather. Today I think most of the people they are sitting outside. Me, I prefer now somewhere with the grass, to sit on the grass, not on the seat. Hey, the whole year round on the seat, on the sofa, on the seat, on the sofa, on the no, on the seat, on the sofa, in the car, on the seat, on the sofa, in the car. No, I prefer to sometimes to have the train is coming. Now, the train is coming, baby. Today the trains, they are not many. You know, it's Labor Day. So it's not many people going to work. So not many people need to transport. So it's just from one city to another for the people who are going to visit and to go back home. Yeah. We are waiting for the birds to come, or they eat with the hours. Someone who knows can tell me. Because I know they come. I buy food, I put food for the birds there. One shop here nearby, hey, that is a digital business, my friend. It's full of anything you ask, they have it. Food for the birds, this. You want this, you want that. Hey. But it's big shop. Big shop. Big shop. Waiting for the birds. Yeah. The birds today, I think they are saying is normally they come. Normally they are standing on this thing. You see this? Now they are not coming. So anyway, let's say it's okay. Even if they are not coming, and we say everything which have got beginning, it have got the end. So we have come to the end of the show. Thank you. Like, please, and share. Thank you.